Good morning, traders. It's Chris. Hope you're having a wonderful morning. It's early at 6:20 here in the UK. This is your early morning briefing for the 17th of January. Of course, I'll be doing the DVA later for VIP members, but this is a general update on the price action charts to help you along the way. Now, in the VIP room, I give you the trends. So the Hang Seng is short. And all you're doing with the price action charts is waiting for it to come up to this yellow zone. You might have a different color on your liquidity areas, but this is very high liquidity into a downtrend, into a major parabolic trend, and the price is going down. That's 978 points. Oil is setting up really lovely into the liquidity zone, and it doesn't matter if it don't work, does it? We're risking a very little indeed, 48 pips, so it doesn't matter, but the benefits are 323 pips. So I'm just going to run through some of these. So this is the euro dollar. I haven't been posting the price action charts into the signals room, but that is changing. So you'll be pleased to know you don't have to have the price action charts to get the benefits. So just having the Forex signal, and being in the Forex signal room will help you. So when trading a trend, the trend is confirmed, the change of character is confirmed here. You might not have all these tools yet if you've got the price action charts. Don't worry, it's coming. I do these in sections, build up your charts accordingly, and I also show you how to clean up your charts as well, so it's much cleaner in terms of, you don't want all the indicators, which are all leading indicators by the way, to be on your chart. It's just guidance only. But as you can see here, euro dollar up into the liquidity zone. This is really a coaching session to show you what you're looking for. So you're waiting for the price to come into the liquidity zone, and then of course it's going to fail. Your stop is above the red line in a sell, and happy days, 100 pips there. US Swiss, similar situation here. It came into liquidity twice, so you had a couple of positions here. So you're not waiting for anything, you're just waiting for the price to hit liquidity, and you go for 100 pips. And this one, you could make that a bit tighter, so 30 pips, so you're looking at 3.62 times risk to reward. US yen come into liquidity just the once, okay, which is fair enough. You could have bought it there, but there's no liquidity there. Here's the liquidity zone, into the liquidity, stop down here, away it goes. 293 pips. US Canadian, if you haven't got these charts, you've got to get them, guys. They are red hot. And of course I'll let you know what's trending by the flags on the right in the VIP room during the DVA. And when it comes into liquidity, that is your time to buy, because that is when the institutions are buying as well. So you want to be in with them, or even earlier than them really. So Aussie USD into liquidity, this yellow zone here. There's another one there, isn't there? So you could have had two bites at the cherry there. New Zealand, same thing, another 100. Aussie yen isn't trending. Canadian yen into liquidity, another 100 pips there. Pound yen into liquidity way back here. Euro yen into no liquidity in this one. That's unusual, but a break of the blue line is fine. New Zealand yen not particularly attractive, and the Swiss yen of course into liquidity, double bottom as I mentioned in the VIP room. This is a good trade. Pound Canadian, no liquidity. This is really important to understand. If you see a pullback into this area here and there's no liquidity, then it's non-tradable. You can break the blue line. Aussie Canadian, happy days, into liquidity here, and off it goes. Euro Canadian coming back into liquidity. I had a break-even trade on this. It didn't go anywhere because of the news yesterday, but there's an opportunity. There was an opportunity here. Aussie Swiss, I know some of you are still in it. Carry on, hold on. So it came back into liquidity as mentioned in the VIP room, and another great opportunity to sell with a very tight stop, 13 pips there. Pound Aussie, I mentioned this in the VIP room as well as a trading opportunity. It came into liquidity here. The maximum you need to get out of it is 192.68. So don't be greedy on that. That's a very high resistance area, 68% if I remember rightly. Aussie, New Zealand, and the euro pound is setting up. We'll be doing, that's a strong low, so it's whether it's worth trading into that. So if you fancy that one, then just trade it now. You're going to have a really tight stop. 10 pips apparently. So there you go, there's your target for 33 pips. So you're risking 10 pips for 30 pips if you get stopped out for 10 pips. So freaking what? So there we are. So that's the updates. I'll be doing the long-term trading for the VIP rooms with market structure and trailing stops later on today. Have a wonderful morning.